Hello, Flow Space 101 explorers! Today we will learn 12 new words from Unit 6. The words are blossom, collide, constant, content, distract, drought, foul, noble, policy, quiver, slight, and tidy. Get ready to read, think, and grow. Let's begin our vocabulary flow. Our first word is blossom. Blossom can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, blossom means a flower or a group of flowers. As a verb, blossom means to produce flowers, grow, or develop. For example, the cherry trees blossom in spring. We can also say a person's talent can blossom when they practice and grow. What can help your talent blossom? Next, let's learn collide. Collide is a verb. It means to hit or crash into something with force. For example, two bumper cars collide in the game. Objects can collide, cars can collide, and ideas can collide when people disagree. How can people avoid collisions? Now let's learn constant. Constant can be an adjective or a noun. As an adjective, constant means never stopping, repeating, or staying the same. As a noun, a constant is something that does not change. For example, the constant hum of traffic filled the street. What is something constant in your daily life? Next, our word is content. Content can be an adjective or a noun, and it has two different pronunciations. As an adjective, content means pleased, satisfied, or accepting. As a noun, content means what is inside something, or the subject of a book, video, or lesson. For example, our neighbors are content with their new home. We can also say, the content of that book is too technical for me. What kind of content do you enjoy reading or watching? Now let's learn distract. Distract is a verb. It means to take someone's attention away from what they are doing. For example, try not to let the noise distract you. A phone, a loud sound, or even an exciting idea can distract us. What can distract you when you study? Next, let's learn drought. Drought is a noun. It means a long time without rain, or a serious shortage of something. For example, farmers lost crops because of the drought. During a drought, people need to save water carefully. Why is drought hard for farmers? Now let's learn foul. Foul can be an adjective, a noun, or a verb. As an adjective, foul can mean unpleasant, dirty, polluted, unfair, or stormy. As a noun, a foul is a rule violation in a sport. As a verb, foul means to make something dirty or polluted, or to break a rule. For example, the player hit a foul ball. We can also say, dirty water can foul the river. Why should players avoid fouls? Next, our word is noble. Noble can be an adjective or a noun. As an adjective, noble means honorable, outstanding, or having good moral character. As a noun, a noble is a person of high rank or birth. For example, the firefighter made a noble choice. A noble person does what is right even when it is difficult. What makes a person noble? Now let's learn policy. Policy is a noun. It means a plan, a set of rules, or a way to act. A policy can also mean a written insurance contract. For example, our school has a no-phone policy in class. Schools, stores, and families may all have policies. Why do schools need policies? Next, let's learn quiver. Quiver can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, a quiver is a case used to hold arrows. It can also mean a trembling motion. As a verb, quiver means to shake or tremble. For example, one arrow was left in the archer's quiver. We can also say, my hands quiver when I feel nervous. What might make your voice quiver? Now let's learn slight. Slight can be an adjective, a verb, or a noun. As an adjective, slight means small, minor, or not very important. As a verb, slight means to treat someone as unimportant or ignore them. As a noun, a slight is an act of neglect or disrespect. For example, there was a slight delay in the train. We can also say he felt hurt by the slight. How can we avoid slighting others? Our last word is tidy. Tidy can be an adjective or a verb. As an adjective, tidy means neat and in good order. As a verb, tidy means to put things in neat or proper order. For example, please keep your desk tidy. We can also say, be sure to tidy the room before you go. Why is it helpful to keep things tidy? Great job, Flow Space 101 explorers! Today we learned 12 Unit 6 words. Blossom, collide, constant, content, distract, drought, foul, noble, policy, quiver, slight, and tidy. Keep practicing these words in your reading, speaking, and writing. If you enjoyed this vocabulary flow lesson, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Go with the flow. Read, think, grow with Flow Space 101.